Model, 2017 Peugeot Partner L1 Diesel 851.6 BlueHDi 100 Professional Van Euro 6. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 63,688. MOT, 25 May 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, Cambelt has snapped, straightforward repair, if you know what you're doing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status,